Hi folks, just going to show you a quick fix regarding a bug that's in Joomla 3.7.4 regarding the offline page. As you can see here, when you set the website to offline, you're asked to log in with your username and password. And the actual field here, you can see, is very small. And if you type in a name, it doesn't look well. You can't see it. It doesn't look well at all. And that's a known bug in Joomla 3.7.4. Now, it has been logged with the Joomla development team, but some people need to know what the fix is to get around this. So I'm going to show you the quick fix to get around this until Joomla actually fix it themselves. So what you need to do is go into the back end of Joomla. As you can see, it's Joomla 3.7.4 and we're using the hydrogen template and it's Gantry 5. So the first thing you need to do is go into extras and make sure that you're in development mode. You have to be in development mode, not production mode. It should be red. And then what you need to do is just clear your cache. So you just clear the cache, and that means that the cache is cleared. Then what we need to do is we need to put in some custom code in the template. So if we go to our file manager, which is Foca Commander, which is the one I'm using, Foca Commander. And basically we'll go down to the templates directory, into G5 hydrogen, and we need to go into the custom folder. And in the custom folder, if you don't have a directory called SCSS, you can create a directory called SCSS. And when you go in there, you need to create, I've already created an empty custom file called custom.scss, and there's nothing in that at the moment, 0 bytes in there at the moment. But what you need to do is, if there's no blank custom SCSS file in there, just create one. Just create an empty file and pop it in there. So what we need to do is add a bit of code into that custom.scss file. So if we click on that file and we go to F4 to edit, and then the bit of code that we need is here. I'll just copy and paste that. This is the code here. Now this is not my code. This is code that I was given by a developer who works on Joomla sites, which is very nice of him to do that. And then we just save that. Okay, so now we have that code in the custom SCSS. So what we need to do then is go back to the Gantry interface, and we need to recompile the CSS. So I'll just recompile that, and we'll close down that, and we'll just open it up again. And now if you have a look at the actual fields, you can see the full name rather than the smaller version of the fields. So hopefully that will help anybody that wants to change the field size in the offline form but is having a trouble doing it. As we said, it's an actual Joomla 3.7.4 problem. There's a bug in there and Joomla are aware of it. It's been logged on their system and they just need to get around to fixing it. But if you want a quick fix, that's how you do it. Cheers.